he need to step down and give somebody else and see how the UIC take off. Because it's arrogance and it's laziness. You're not ready. You're not better than the people of Jamaica. I'm going to see you for who you are. You don't love poor people. You don't love Jamaica people. You have something against the poor people. And you was raised poor. You have some agenda.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Is the UIC already falling apart? Now, for those of you who's unaware of what the UIC is, it's the United Independence Congress, which is the third registered party in Jamaica. Now, most of you became aware of the UIC through platforms like Jamaican Carlos, Wayne Lonesome, and this very same platform right here, Unstoppable TV. And most I want to see it as a change for Jamaica because the way, we present them to, it seemed like this was a good option other than the other two. Until we started hearing rumors of a coup. We started to find out that a few of the members walked away from the party, and it seems like everything was going wrong. No one who wanted to support the party, started to support the party, started reaching out to me, and we having conversations, and a lot of you saying unstoppable, the party sounded promising, it sounded like the change we really want for Jamaica. But after seeing all of this, it not seems so. I heard it. Now, one of the most loyal supporters of the UIC, who always represent for the UIC, even now, is speaking out, not against the UIC, but against the president, Mr. Joseph Patterson. Jamaican Carlos beat Joseph Patterson with what he calls the 2x4. The same 2x4 where he beat the other two party leader them with. But Carlos, I say right now, he still believe in the UIC, but just not in the present leader. Family, make we take a listen to why Jamaican Carlos is saying these things.
I'm going to tell you why Joseph Patterson is a weak-ass leader and is not good for Jamaica. He's a dangerous man. Do not get me wrong. The UIC agenda is solid. We love it. We love the agenda that him put together for the country. But the UIC president is not a good leader. Why do you think the party split? You think so many people, why do you think so many people step away from one man? Many? One. Look here, why do you think many people step away from him and one man? Who's the problem? Is it many or the one man? Let's look. It's not good for Jamaica. And why me I telling you some people? Carlos is a patriot. You remember every day me I tell some a patriot? No, this is where patriotism come into full play. Because if I see something dangerous for our country, not because I support a party, people all I want to know me talk about these things, Not because I support a party, I must see things that go south and not speak it out. Play a blind eye. People me not stay so. People me tell you so me an old man now in the party, me not bootlicker to the party, even the party me serve. I'm wearing the shirt right now proudly because I believe in the agenda, I believe in what it stands for. Share that video this morning. Let the whole of Jamaica see it. I'm going to tell you why me think Mr. Patterson is not a good leader. He can't be a good leader. It's not good for Jamaica. He better we stick with it. Before him come in, he better we stick with the evil that we know, than the good that we don't know. Somebody else need to run the UIC. He need to step out. And if him love Jamaica, him just clear office. Him no good people. The man no good man. Me said the UIC is good. Remember, the UIC is there. It's good. Me gonna tell you why this man is not good. And listen to me, good people. You see him go on the page last time I drop word like a little boy. Me say, what if Andrew Holness is still at this man here? Every blogger in Jamaica that will talk about Andrew Holness that they are jail. If Andrew Holness when Patterson was Andrew Holness, every blogger will talk about him and liquid 2x4, they are jail. Andrew that probably send Secret Service gonna lock up my ass. If Andrew Holness was this man, remember me tell you that. Yeah? I'm gonna show you something right now. We cannot have Mr. Patterson at the helm. People, I introduce you to the UIC. The first time any of you ever heard about UIC is Carlos. Me launch UIC. Me introduce UIC to you. I launched it. I'm the first blogger who entertained the UIC at Mr. Patterson on my page. Introduce him, interview him about 5 or 6 times. I'm the most I have the most interview under my belt of Mr. Patterson. This is on my page right here, sir. Me push them. All you guys know, every day we come talk about UIC, push it. A lot of you guys know the UIC to call us. Me and Mr. Patterson have nothing, you know. We're good. But I'm going to show you something, people. Me I tell you how this man not ready for Jamaica yet. Because all the other part, remember, you know, him have a youth named Marvin Edgar night, you know. And there is a guy them, you know. And him come ball about cool. Come in the news, come back. There was no goddamn cool. There was no cool, people. Any cool go on and him and push the cool. I'm going to explain that to you in another video later on, not this video. But I'm going to tell you why Patterson himself pushed the coup there. The people love him. And several times the man retire, you know, resign, you know. Resign behind we're back. We are pay blouse and skirt. We are donation. And Mr. Patterson have the audacity to come tell us, guys, I'm going to step down at this. And go behind the scene, go resign. Step away from us. What can I lead of that? What can I lead of that? So, hold on there. So, and the Marvin and them youth, they come tell us and do that about 4 times. And the last time, they said they not take back a resignation. They not take back a resignation. People, him resign several times, people and take him back because they love him. Them love him. So all the group take him back if they want to take over the party. Them love him. Them love him and they want him as they want to push the thing. You know? So guess what the man do? The last time them said, no, me not take it back. Because remember, you know, the constitution him create, you know. Don't allow him to do certain things, you know. So certain things man don't know him break the rule. You understand? So come out here, come on social media, bring inside story. So if you stay inside, come find Lonesome, come find me, come find Unstoppable, and just spread it out on social media, and you're a leader, you know. You should, if you can't take care of your picnic them in your house, where you come next door, go tell somebody, say, your picnic get trouble. Yeah, boy, man. Now, people, let me tell you something. Me could leave all of that. Because we give Patterson the benefit of the doubt. You know, we come out here, so we talk about Marvin, then we talk about Howard, then we talk about the twin, then we talk about everybody a devil. I take the one take by the part. No! Not people. When you have so many people talking about you as one man, who's the problem? But let me show you some people. Listen to Carlos, people, me a patriot. You see these right here? Let me show you what start everything. 1 page, 2 pages, 3, 4, 5. People, look here. You see this? These are stuff. 19 topics. Me sit down America. I'm sit down and type them out. I write them out. Brainstorm. Write out ideas to give the UIC, optics, how to campaign. Some ideas, family. Look, information to push the party. You know, they call us full of ideas. That's true. They all want to know something full of ideas. So I say the UIC as my party. Me think Mr. Patterson is a man where we take telling and listen. People, let me tell us I'm not good for Jamaica. So this right here, so 5 pages, people. Write and type out. See there? Written and typed out. Take my time. Go to Mr. Patterson. You see? A Jamaica to help him. You know, me say Mr. Patterson, I lend a piece of my 2x4. And that me tell you, I lend him a 2x4. There's so much good information and ideas in this. So me I write this out and send it go give Mr. Patterson. Email it to him. About different ideas, family. You know, no way of concern to be the UIC haven't visit no way of concern. No matter where the fire blaze at Jamaica, when you see the UIC there. You understand me? Optics. Or optics, how people see things, family. Marketplace. Me not see him at the market, them talk to the people, them. Hospitals. Him not visit hospitals, family. Mining. Him not talk about mining, family. Find schools without pit toilet. Him not go there and him not go nowhere, people. They're lazy. Some of them are foreigners, some of them find library without Wi-Fi, go discuss and talk, go to areas where there no running water, go to areas where there are bad roads, patrol, go sit down with the Maroons. These are ideas me I give the man, you know. Eh? Eh? Talk about the $1.4 billion we're missing from people. People. Me not go no further than this. But me give him optics, people. Me give him stuff it. 5 pages. See them? Send me go get this man. Guess what the man do? Before the man call me, I say, Carlos, we can do this, that, and the other. Remember, you know, me and the man I don't argue to the people. Before the man call me, I say, Carlos XYZ. Guess what Mr. Patterson do? He no call me. A boy, Mr. People, you know ready. You, Mr. Patterson can't take no tell him. It's like, who dare me to give him no ideas about the UIC? It's just like that, people. That's how I feel. In himself, he probably say, who dare me to give him no ideas? He not take no talking from nobody. Him is, people, that's how I feel. Let me show you why. Before Mr. Patterson call me, look what Mr. Patterson do. For sure, Mr. Patterson is not a good leader. I'm going to show him when do offer that again. I'm more of it, later on, I'm going to do another video, you know, with his voice. Hold on, man. I'm not ready to be done with them yet. Mr. Patterson cannot be the leader. I need to step down and go. If not go for Jamaica. Me this man have nothing. And this man go on social media. After I say this, go give him. Look what the man do, people. Tell me for truth. Cause someone not hear him and upon him page and not take up for him, but you don't know nothing. And me put the UIC out there. No one know the UIC through me. Every day. Me come back and get beaten from people. Me get shadow banned from Facebook. Me lose money on Facebook because I support the UIC and I say money over everything. Me a patriot, me love my country. But let me tell you some man. We must move. This is, look at the people. After me send them a thing, I'll go give them money now. 19 of them. Take time to type out, not true. 5. When me say this, go give Mr. Patterson, me say yes. Me can't wait till Mr. Patterson see this. Me let me too, but me can't wait. Me just want to hear him respond, how him feel, how him like my ideas. People have some me feel. When me say this stuff, go give this a man here. Yes, me can't wait until Mr. Patterson see this, you know. My contribution to the UIC. Me have all for information and ideas and solutions. People don't know so call us full of solution. They want to take advice. So me find myself say, me advise the man from Upper South. See that 5 pages. Write and type out, people. Email to him properly, personally. Social media never say this, right? Me never tell them nothing about this. So, after the sitting get it, family, the man get it. Couple days later, we go up on social media, go see what the man write here. We must move before the man call me, you know. Like a little boy. We must move beyond politics as a theater entertainment to the reality that it is about our quality of life. Joseph Patterson. Listen what the man I say. Call me, no man. Call me, no man. We can discuss this. If things can work, if I have one in it, you can take up and grab. If I have one, Mr. Patterson, you could have taken and use. You're too freaking arrogant. You cannot run the country. We will be in trouble. We will be cut off from the rest of the world. You're too arrogant. We don't want a dictator in the office. So don't even talk every day. Don't even beat Brogard every day. Me not going to have a next dirt in the office when me try straighten Brogard. I straighten the other party. I'm going to take a new piece of zinc when I have to straighten, but it come in tainted. It's not going to run like that, Jamaica. Country over everything. People, country over side, over man, over party. Me tell you guys this every day. This is always supposed to be. Guess what the man go write again? I find by them in right, you know. We don't need to be spending time running up and down, making noise. We just need to decide on UIC or more JLP, PNP. What a cocky statement. Nobody know you. Yesterday a police from Jamaica called me and tell me, say, it's the first she ever heard about the UIC as she's a police in Jamaica. So you tell me, say, we don't need to spend time running up and down, making noise. We just need to decide on UIC or more JLP, PNP. People, the UIC don't reach nowhere yet. Nobody don't know the UIC. Me have a brother Jamaica will support the UIC. Him ask me the other day, it's a call with the UIC. They may not see the UIC. So nobody, even Jamaica people don't see. A police officer asked me yesterday at Jamaica. Yesterday, a police say, she don't know at first she hear about the UIC and she in the force. But this man I say, we don't need to spend time and money. Let me tell you some people, Patterson love poor people. You don't love her no. You don't want to meet her no. You know saying go like a society, man. If you want to go meet and get in a squalor with poor people, you can't run the country if you don't love the people of the country. Me a patriot. And this is what's coming and then it's going to happen. Just like I'm introduce him to Uno, me tell him say don't support him. Now, listen to people. This is what I'm putting on. Remember, you know, after me send this, go give me now. Instructions, me give him now, information. Call me now, man. Call me now, man. I say, Carlos. This is call me now, man. You have my number, call me. But like a little boy in a you, Mr. Patterson, nobody must have no ideas. You want to bet nobody ever call him and give him no ideas and him take it? Me have people call me and say, everything that tells Mr. Patterson always have an excuse, right? Nobody's idea is good. Find me there. Take the time, family. 5 pages, see them? 19 of them. Send go give the man. No respect. You go up on social media go do this. Like a boy. You can't be no leader, man. Your skin too thin. Skin too thin, then you go on social media, do a whole video about me as I'm a blogger. No, what if Andrew Holness did for do that? What if Mark did for do that? Take kind of video and talk. You look how Andrew Stephen beat Andrew Holness. You ever hear Andrew Holness come talk about him? Look how blogger beat Andrew Holness. You ever hear nobody come talk about him? Him come talk about them? You, Mr. Patterson, is just a petulant little 2-year-old kid. Can't run the country. You're a dangerous narcissist. Guess what the man right again? People. A 5 of them put up people. All the man have to do a call me. The man go up on UIC Jamaica page. Go put this nonsense. And let me show you a go on. Some wish to see me. People, and me my talk, you know. People, and me my talk. But me say the man a boy. And no man. Some wish to see me running up and down all over the place. But I cannot afford to play political theater. Joseph L. Patterson. Jamaica, tell me the Jamaica. One to this man Jamaica. One to this man a Rosa Andrew. We cannot have him. People, the party is good. UIC. We love what the agenda is for Jamaica. Beautiful. But Mr. Patterson himself, he will get us cut out from the rest of the world and will suffer. He's a radical type of thinker. He's a dictator. No, we don't want a dictator, Jamaica people. Be careful what we wish for. Listen, man. You hear the man say that? Some wish to see me running up and down all over the place. But I cannot afford to play political theater. Jamaica people is in the political theater. That's where you have to go find them. Anywhere the people are, you need to go find them. If they're in the gutter, go and find them. At this point, Jamaican people is in political theater for 70 odd years. So how are you going to find them? Where else are you going to find Jamaican people? They are in the political theater. Go sit down and talk them, think you can change their mind. People, the man go up on in YouTube page last night and him talk about, he drop some word and this, so I send come give him. Him not call me like a big man. I'll show you some people. The man have he can't run Jamaica. I mean, I'm done with him. You take me, I beat him like I beat Brogard. When me done with you soft, watch me. You can't run. You can't run Jamaica. Joseph Patterson, you can't run. Step down, Marvin, all of them guys that couldn't be lying at you. Couldn't be telling lie on you. And you are the problem. Nobody, you don't take no telling. You're a dictator. So guess what man put up again, family? I have made it clear. I mean, I talk to you know. People. What the Rastafari man just call me. 5 blog man put on the page. Boy! Dictator who dare me to spend my time. Sit down and brainstorm. People are brainstorm. People do this right stuff. People take the time to brainstorm ideas to send them some Patterson. Get it type out. Everything decent to the man. Email. It take time. It take time, people. And the man, I have made it clear what the UIC has to offer. Listen to the man cocky. I have made it clear what the UIC have to offer. Enough of us know the message to reach the masses. So, if we go do the work for him, we already know the work to reach the masses. So we need to go. We're not supposed to go see. He said, enough. I have made it clear what the UIC has to offer. And enough of us know the message to reach the masses. So basically, him gonna sit down and fold him hands, so cause we all know about it and we must go work for him. People, him not ready yet. People, him not ready, man, too arrogant. If this man ever get a idea in Jamaica, we get up to him and a law change. The man not ready. Too soft and emotional. He put another one, family. I'm gonna show you now. And the last one they put up there. Not the last, I'm gonna show you. The choice is clear. Either they want the UIC's agenda for Jamaica or more the JLP, PNP, PSOJ agenda. The man cocky. So basically, the choice is clear. I don't have to do anything. I told you what the UIC is all about. The choice is clear. Is it more PNP? People, that means him not have to go do no work. Because the choice is clear. See that? The choice is clear. Either you want to use the UIC agenda for Jamaica or it's his way or the highway, you know. Nobody can tell them. People, it take the time. Sit down and brainstorm. So I don't know where this has come from. I do my video yesterday. I don't know where it come from. And this is that come from, people. And I'm not done yet. Because later on, I'm going to show you guys some other stuff what Mr. Patterson say. I'm going to use his own voice. This man not good for Jamaica. I'm going to show you the petulant little kid he is. Watch later when I come to you. Because I'm too early, you know. I'm not going to put the package good yet. Later on, I'm going to put the package together. And me I come to you. See ya? Me take my time, Jamaica. Me wrote this. To help the party. When me I write and send to me say, yes. Yes, me can't wait till Mr. Patterson get that piece of 2x4 ya. Me can't wait. Yeah. Me feel good, people. Feel good. I'm a party. Who else would hear talk about the USC more than like us? Tell me. Me are the biggest supporter on any platform. Me are the biggest, loudest mouth for him. Anywhere. Tell me. Me introduce you to USC. Tell me. The man is ungrateful. He's a very ungrateful man. Let me tell you something now. So yesterday, after me do my video, beat with me 2x4. I say not ready yet. Come in and go in the corner. Me do my video and me know on the seat. I say, what is this about now? Or what is what Carlos? I mean, what is this about? You never know. So later on, I go to the evening and say, I do a nice video. Come and talk to Carleen, who was the vice president. She was very nice. We even said it in my video. We had a very good conversation. She was very nice. I was hot at the time yelling at her. I'm not gonna lie, people. Me and she was on the phone like husband and wife or man and woman. Yeah. You know, until we, all right, let's talk to, with the party. When we end the conversation, it was a decent conversation with the vice president. Me even plan to have her on my show for fundraiser, but me not do it no more. Me not do no fundraising for Joseph Patterson. No more fundraising. And my little money me I send them, I stop my contribution. Me I'll stop my contribution to them. Because Joseph Patterson go up on the ear last night and talk about say, only look at $5, $10 can help UIC. Only look at $25 can help UIC. The man is stupid and grateful. Too much emotion and ego, and it shows out. You don't know if it all it. Wait till later. Me make on the hear him voice and the shit this man I say. Wait, man. Now put my pocket together. You know. Coming off the dead life on the body. Let me show you something I give this man go post. So now yesterday, on my page, me type him say the man picnic. Me say man. Me say this man a president of Jamaica, prime minister. If you talk about him burn down your house. Him not ready. The rest of the people, you see for the party mash up, man, he like a dead man. Marvin and all them youth that did their work a good job. Mr. Patterson could join them together and me I beg him say, go get the people them together. Reunion, be a man, say sorry. Go rally the crowd. What's that the UIC? No, your ego not gonna let you. Everybody a problem but you, Mr. Patterson. You is the problem. So many people couldn't have the same problem with you. And me never know, because I say, you know what me I stay in the middle? Me I stay in the middle because UIC me say I'm boom bam bam and me come up every day and run up my mouth about UIC. And guess what this man I said last night? Me not gonna say it yet, because I left it for the next video. Because I put it properly together. It's just two me just get up and meet people. You know, if I want more floor him, from yesterday I do that video, you know. And people at times call us don't do it. But look at people. For all of you guys who tell me say don't do it. Me cannot just save the party and mash up my country. Me cannot save a man feeling and say dirt to my country. Me cannot see the iceberg come and me not say nothing. Me cannot see the danger coming to my country and don't say nothing because of politics. See if a man feeling? No, Jamaica, I'm a patriot. My side, me no in this for man or party, my country. People me telling you over and over and over, I'm a patriot. No man outside, people. And this is the time where you exercise your patriotism. Is either him or somebody else. Him now go work. We clearly see that. So we need somebody else to run the UIC. We now send them a donation to them. Yesterday, I do a video in the evening. It's big donation. I now send a donation to them. I'm going to explain that video when we do yesterday. And the video in the last night. I mean, I done it to the people. But as I tell them what happened, what transpired, why you see me do my video. So, after me yesterday now, I'm going to do the video in the evening. I say, I put a blog. Say, please tune in at 6 p.m. Jamaica time. We're going to talk about UIC. We say all UIC supporters, you know, something like that. All UIC supporters. At 6 p.m. we're going to talk UIC. Calling. Some people, we get some people calling yesterday. So now before that happened, I guess him go up on my page go see it or somebody go tell him. Guess what? Him go up on the page go right. He said this is a petulant child. Petulant child. Criticizing on social media is very easy. I mean, I talk to you, But before, me I'm sure, yesterday evening. Criticizing on social media is very easy. Organizing a political party in Jamaica is something else. How much time did someone sit down and look a dark room, look like a goddamn hostage victim? You look a room, look like a hostage victim. You don't have a room with proper light. Every day you come out there, you look a room, look like a hostage victim. All they do is stay on social media and criticize Andrew Holness and the PNP. Isn't that you do? That's what they do. You ever hold office yet? You ever win a seat yet? Have you ever sit in the seat of Andrew Holness and the PNP yet? No! So what you're saying here, and I criticize other people, you are doing too. But criticizing on social media is very easy. Organizing a political party in Jamaica is something else. So you in a little dark room like a hostage victim. Eh? Criticizing Andrew Holness and the PNP. Eh? Have you ever run an office, ever win a seat yet? So you do the same goddamn thing. You're stupid, Mr. Patterson. You not ready for Jamaica yet. For the fact that you're up here like you want to war with me, I'm a blogger. How you gonna war with me? How you gonna war with me? I mean introduce you to the people. You see I idiot. They don't war with me. I call us my name, Me beat your face with 2x4 me could go hide, How you gonna war with me? How you gonna war with me? On social media. People, all because of this. People, all because me send the man who dare me to take my time. Write stuff out with pen. Type stuff out. Make sure they're proper. Me even send them to a friend of mine who is an English genius. So it's in a proper form going to the man. Proper form. What if you understand me, I say? Me send it to a friend of mine. So my friend could put it together. So me not send no nonsense go get him, and the UIC president me I send it to. So me want it to be proper. Me send it to an English genius up here, sir. So put this together for me. The friend sit down and write it, type it out. Retype it. 5 pages. Proper format. Well right. Send it go get them. And I dismiss it on social media. The man come out like, who dare you? People, the man could have called me. Mr. Patterson ready yet. I believe Howard. I believe Marvin. I believe the girls, them, all the people that were quit. I believe I'm on their side. Me not talk to them, the people. It's not like the men in my talk and no people. Because me say, you know what? Let me stick with Mr. Patterson and I could push and work with this thing. When me see them break off, me say, I could continue to push. Me even tell the other side, say, look here, if you don't want to be a part of this, step away, don't destroy the party. Because I'm a patriot, right? Not knowing the whole time the biggest problem at this man here. People, me cut my donation from this man here. You know, come tell me, say, $5 and $10 now no use. You know, come criticize the $25 people. Me send the UIC $25 every month. Automatic out of my something. People. $25. If everybody, every millions of people from the diaspora and would do the same thing like me, how much UIC do I have? Did you know say this asshole? Sorry for my language, but it's an asshole. Do you know say the man went on social media last night and said, your $25 is not no use, you send it 25. People, did you know say man go on social media go talk about it last night? If me beg Mr. Patterson $1, him that come tell people. You remember when they come and talk about Marvin Edgar? Some money things and Marvin like him hungry and this and that. When Marvin a businessman. Remember they say Marvin Edgar beg money and stuff like that. And yeah, some type of lend money and some money nonsense. Mix up the man like the man hungry. This a man here. Come out there. They say, if me beg Mr. Patterson food. Mr. Patterson that come tell the people them. Thank God me never beg him salt. Him that come tell you now. True word. Like a little dirty girl. You're a big man. Me a big man, Mr. Patterson. Me said something come give you. No disrespect on these people. Nothing, people. When me said this gonna give people, I was one of the happiest man. Could you wait until the president see it? And say it feels light up and they call me and wait pan now. Tell me how you feel about this, Mr. Patterson. Call me, I could go through from 1 to 19 now, man. And that if you call me, man. If you don't like it, talk to me. Everybody talk to call us know I'm approachable. Minister, so yesterday me talked to the vice president for the first time yesterday. And me was hot. Me hot. When me call her hot. By the time we get off the phone. Me and she cool. Me even say, me go have you on my program. Pump some fundraiser. We need a fundraiser drive for the UIC. We even said it yesterday in my last video because of the clean heart me have. After me get off the video, I do yesterday. Guess what? I go up on the YouTube where this man depend. Remember my video was beautiful, you know, like a man. I forgot bygone coming up keep people up in my heart forever. When me done do my video of beauty for the UIC, even ask a fundraiser, even say me gonna introduce this lady on my page to make money. When me go up on YouTube, the man over there, they palm me name and drop out that drop. Him not call me name, you know. But if I drop out that, I say, what is happening? What a hateful rascal. Sorry for the language, people. I say, this man, no, man. This man's a hateful man. Me over there, sir. And then me a president. Me over there, sir. I put a good foot forward. Left on a good note for the UIC. Support, support, support. Donate, donate. Turn up a donation. When we go over there, the man I tell people, say, you think $5 and $10 can this and that? You said the $25, you think $25 of that? You on social media, this is what man say. Me on social media run up the mouth telling people about the UIC is different from farming a party. You hear what man say? You hear what man say? Me on social media, you never call me name in people, but a P.O. the man drop on me no say me. Me on social media running up my mouth about UIC is different from farming. The man I say, even though me on social media tell people about UIC, that don't mean nothing. It's not farming the party. People, even though me upon the people may get shadow banned by social shadow black. Enough time people. Don't see me video them. Sometimes I do my video with two people them. Shadow black. Eh? See me viewers they are 66. It's so long they're 66. This is shadow black right now. You don't say 66 you know, go up and come down. This is not how social media work. Look at my views right now. 66 it stays. You don't work like that. It's either you go up or go down. You don't stay at 66 and it don't move. Do you hear me? It's at 66 right now. Shadow banned by Facebook for UIC. Because ever since UIC I talk about the juke. They're like, they might carry a tail. Social media, Facebook put a tail upon them. So them always a shadow the UIC. So me say a country over anything. Me I post it as the same way. Regardless shadow ban, I me lose money. Don't you know that? Me lose money. See it there. Right now, 66. See there. You don't move. You so long there 66. You want to tell me some more people now? Come on, people. It at 66 and you don't move, you don't go high, you don't go low. Why you believe that? Look at it. That's called shadow ban by Facebook for the UIC. Marvin and them boy there, if them boy they did the UIC that they're gone. This man that feel say, but last night the thing, the man was on live, the man asked the man say, if you don't think they should go stand up with the workers, the man say, nah, I said nobody got to go stand up with the workers. The workers my protest, you know. He said, nah, go get a political mileage off of it. People low hanging fruits, you know. You know, I got to go protest. You can go stand up our 10, 15 minutes with the people and say, I hear you. I see you. UIC is going to make it better. You could just drive through. The man upon the page like, me send him go to Santa Cruz, you know. This, the man live out of Bogue, close to Santa Cruz. He claims someone have the money for this and that. Me give him some ideas how to go to Santa Cruz and make a 2-hour visit in Santa Cruz, make a mark. People call us on a fool. They have ideas. You could go right to Santa Cruz right there and make a mark. Look here, the man say, last night in that video, he want me to go to Santa Cruz. People. He says, a man go like him bigger than Santa Cruz, he bigger only, you know. The man decides, say, remember all the trust at Santa Cruz, you know. You want to say that man I could get in lazy ass go out there. Sorry for everybody this man can call us hot. You think that this man could get in lazy self go out there? Go stand up with one of them, find them housing trust workers and stand up with one of them. The man say, nah, send nobody out there. Who you man? Him not love the people. Him think him cocky and him rich already. Him cannot be a leader. Or else when bloggers talk about him, or hell to pay, with a guy jail, with a pass on law and shut down some stuff, him not ready for Jamaica. As bad as thing be, burgered out there. My dictator and go on like a little boy too. But him no stay so. As bad as thing be PNP out there, them no stay so. This a man we don't know, and him not no power yet. The man not no power yet. Never win a seat. All started when me send this ugly man. People, you guys never know about this. I thought I was doing something good for my party. I thought I was contributing. Me I go stop with $25 today. Me not send you another dime if you are the helm. Me not support your Patterson. You know good. The party is good, people. But him, no good. Me not done it, you know. Him think me done yet. Him have a run off of the party. Come in and start beat him like a drum. And the wrong man you go mess with. Or you come on social media, come, you see saying that no sense? I mean launch you. Me never come every day come beat my chest and say me this, and me that. Me never do that. Or you come to the man and launch you. All because I send you this. The boy need to come and go up. The UIC is good. But you see, my name is Joseph Patterson. His mindset is a dictator, that of a dictator. If you follow Joseph Patterson, we in America and England and Canada don't talk. Because every day you get up with the colonial master like we don't need them. You see them see on the page that talk about grants and stuff like that. We accept grants. So hold on, we wouldn't take no grants from overseas and we're hungry. We're not reaching away yet. If this man ever take over and make Jamaica stay up on an island by himself, the man heart stay away. He have ulterior motive. I don't know what Jamaica do him, but he have some agenda. Him have some agenda. And if you have a president when nobody don't listen to, you don't listen to nobody, you cannot be a leader. So the same thing when Marvel them say, when them challenge him and say no to this, no to that. It's the same result. Me never challenging people. All me did was send something help. I thought I was helping. Sit here. People don't no challenge. Sit here. Part of this too was going to Santa Cruz also. Come make people low hanging fruit, me I give the idiot. Low hanging fruit. You say you have no money for this and drive around. May I give you low hanging fruit? The man got here last night. You want me to go to Santa Cruz? Huh? You want me to leave a job and go to Santa Cruz? You're too busy doing a bee farm. You're too busy in your farm. You're too busy in your goddamn your accounting job. You say you don't have no time for us. You don't have time. Give somebody else who have more time for run Jamaica. You're too thin skin. Howard, the whole of them was right. You is wrong. Remember me no call them, people. It's not that me call Howard them and Marvin them and say, guess what? No, I'll know me no call them. I'll know me no call them. Me no call them, people. This is not my personal feelings with Mr. Patterson. Come in and do that to the man. Every day you know hear me push UIC. Every day. Every day. Me I push UIC. Nobody else. Since 2020, the day after the election, non-stop pushing the UIC agenda. This man is going to be a dictator. It's not good for Jamaica. And if the captain see the danger and don't call it out, people, I'm seeing it. I'm calling it out. Me see it will go crash if this man go in. The president is not good. The agenda, the UIC is good, people. It's good. He need to step down and give somebody else and see how the UIC take off. Because it's arrogance and it's laziness. I've washed down on the rest of candidates. We can't even see the rest of candidates, them. Where them there? His energy is all over the goddamn party. Where are the rest of candidates? How come everybody is buried and cannot be seen? Where they at? You see, man, like my oppressive old people, where them there? People look at dead energy. It's in the road party. Every evening, you know, like a dark ass room. Like a hostage situation. A hostage victim in like a dark room. I out there, come talk the same nonsense. You think that's how you reach the people then when most people have no goddamn Wi-Fi out there? How you reach the people right now in dark room, but you now go out there, go meet the people then. You're not ready. You're not better than the people of Jamaica. I'm going to see you for who you are. You don't love poor people. You don't love Jamaica people. You have something against the poor people. And you was raised poor. You have some agenda. It's not for Jamaica. Tell me, I tell other people. If you can look on a man like me, we compare yourself, me take how much black from. See the people. Look, me still at 66. People, my view is still at 66. I don't know how much you look on out there, people. That's what you call shadow ban right there. See there, 66 is not higher nor lower. It's supposed to go and drop. That's what they do in video. Because people always dropping in, people always coming in. It's at 66. That's the meaning of shadow ban for the UIC. It's at 144, 145 on your side. All right, Juliana. But it's still shadow ban. Still shadow ban, people. I'm telling you. Still shadow ban. Enough thing. Still shadow ban. But anyway, people, me love you. Manners and respect. Look here. This man say him now got to go look political mileage. People. Oh, Andre Stevens. Him say the the people never invite him out there. Him now go out there because the people who strike did not invite him. What a cocky old bastard. What a cocky old fool. Did they invite Andre Stevens? Did they invite the Gleaner? Did they invite the news media? Or the people that just walk off the damn job? Did they invite anybody? You have to just care. I'm going to stand up with your brothers and sisters. You never care. You don't feel with pain? You don't feel with pain, brother? You don't feel nothing way I feel. The people out there, he said, nah, go. Boy, who you be? Who you be, man? Who you, man? You don't feel, people. Me love poor people. A Jamaican, I say, me a patriot. So me say on the people out there strike, me I look for a blue shirt. Me I look for a blue, who never look for a blue shirt, that's the truth. Supporters and people who are donate. Wouldn't you like this man to go stand up the workers? Donors, talk to me. People who donate to the UIC, wouldn't you like to see a donation money spent by this take his lazy ass? Because stand up with the people. Now that's what I want to see. He say, he know about the yeah. They my bully, my dictator. Him dictate what I want to do for when I want to do. The UIC agenda is good. Listen to me. The UIC in itself is good. This man is a danger to my country. And if I now, people, me I call it out, people. Me seen it. All because I write him some info people. It was very easy. No disrespect. Me say when me send this stuff to the man, me say me feel good like a little picnic. Like a little picnic in a candy store. Me feel good like, I can't wait Mr. Pat to see that. Woo! Me say that people, I saw me feel. When me send this to the man, take time, people take time to write. Me even send it to a sister, me say, an English genius. And she come and want the best. So me say to somebody what? Have degrees in English. See there? She put it together, staple it. You know, she emailed them to him. But instead of the man come to me and call us XYZ, the man go on social media and put out of nonsense. You're not a good leader. Me not done it to people. Wait till later. I don't want to check there. Wait till later, about 6 o'clock. It's about 6 o'clock. I will get enough time to put some stuff together with his voice. And all that. And you go hear for yourself with his voice. Don't take it from me. Wait till you hear him. Wait till you hear him. I will put the package together. You're up into the wrong man, Joseph Patterson. Wrong man. Me not do you nothing. But because the narcissist in you, the dictator in you, nobody who dare me to give you no idea. It's easier to sit down on the sideline on social media and run mouth than to run a party. Every day you're there on your social media in a dark, hostage looking room. Hostage victim looking room, in a dark room every day. I criticize Andrew Holness. Every day they criticize the PNP. Every day they do the same thing. They never win a goddamn seat yet. So I hope you're talking about yourself. The easier to sit on the sideline and social media and criticize. And that you are do. You never win a seat yet. Nobody know you. You think you're rich. You don't have to go to go meet the people. You don't have to go to go meet the workers. We are strike. When is the right time to go out there? You drop the ball, UIC. You drop the ball. Piss me off. I see Jamaicans out there hurt. I say, no, UIC. The whole time never know some Mr. Patter's intention. I tell the people to don't go out there. Him not go out there. Me never know say I'm Mr. Patterson. I tell him not go out there. You wait till me talk to him later. We have done him. Me cut off my foot from under him. I mean not do it because he's a hateful man. Me not do it to get back at a man. But him deserve it. Because me write something like this to you as a big man. People say take time, man. Me sit down and me brainstorm, get my pen and my paper. And me like, okay. Like in their school, like, what else? Number 2. Number 3. Oh no, cross out that. No. Add this. Number 4. 19! Great ideas. Me said go get the man. The man never appreciate before the man get back to me. People, when me send it off, me say it's like this. I can't wait. Woo! Me send it off to the boss. Now I can't wait, you know? Yes, I can't wait to support to tell me when think about the ideas. To see the man go up on social media, go blast me. You know good. You hear? That's not a leader. They're going to show you some other things to prove that he's not a leader. Wait later, about 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening. They're going to beat him again. Him? They're going to put on the blue shirt again, you see? I'm going to beat the ass out of him. Him not deserve to serve my country. Marvin Edgar and them youth, that good, clean youth. But him come out into the media and come run out there first. Him and them have in-house stuff, you know. And as a leader, you are the first one come out to the news media come talk about cool. There's no cool people. And him farm the cool. No cool. The guy that never do nothing. Someone a wicked man. If I say nothing what him not agree with, he will resign. Several times the man resign. And us, we are pay money. We are donate. You never have the balls and the decency to come out and come tell us, guys, I'm going to leave you. I'm too tired, blah, blah, blah. You're going to be on the scene. And you resign. How much time? And the last time them said they not take you back for go. They're tired they run and run like some girl. I run me and come back. They say they're tired of you. The last time they not take back your resignation. Them said they don't like you though. Go on where I go every time I do this. So that caused the problem. When they say go on where I go now, so him thinks that they might take over the party. But you resign how many times for the people? Me a weak leader. When trouble come on Jamaica, you go run way left way. If you go away, bumbuckle it. And that happen, people. So when him see that happen, him run out to the media. I say, oh, they might take my party from me. But bro, you quit several times. And them take you back because they love you. If they want to take the party from you, why them take you back so many times? They love you. The last time they said no. They said, man, I take this thing for practice too much. A power play. Every time they disagree with him, it's a power play to say, man, resign. Every time there's a disagreement, the man say, man, resign. As a power play, well, you do it. Even last night on YouTube, one guy named Howard was talking to him. The man said, why don't you come down and do it? If you think it's that easy, you can come down and do it. The man said, me must left from upper, so if I think it that easy, I must come to Jamaica and do it. Brother, you are a child. Mr. Patterson, you don't be the last that they do the whole video about Carlos. One time you call my name, when they tell them say Carlos donate more than $25. More than $20. More than $10 or whatever. $25 a month me give the man. I know said the man talk about it last night. You think you look at $25 people? $25, you know. You work hard for your money, you know. Remember, you know. And I like me I pay. And I rent. And a tax. But me add the $25. Come and say, you know what? It was 20 people. And I push it up to $5 more. So as I go down this road, if this man not go on right, me don't put it up more family. And me don't have to put $25 or more. And me when it come out of my check, when it come off of my card, me don't have the money in there. We have to make sure say balance a bill and the little money there for them I go too smooth. Not true. $25 a month. If we have the millions of Jamaican here was doing what I was doing, the UIC that gone further. The man come out last night, come criticize the $25. He call it out. He said the $25. You think you look at $25? He call out to look at $5 and $10 too. If you think you look at $5 and $10 can this and that. That boy they come go up. I love the people. But let's have to come tell you now why Carlos was ranting yesterday. Some of you guys don't know. So what time to Carlos now? You see how some people say, Carlos, you want to mash up the party? You don't know. Me understand you're not going to take a different look right now. The party is a good. Listen to people. The UIC agenda is good for the country. We all know that. We see it. But Mr. Patterson, he's a dictator. People, Mr. Patterson, you look like you want to be a dictator. We can't have no dictator in the country. What I say? We can't have no dictator in the country. It's country over everything. This is the party I support. If my party is wrong, Carlos will call it out. You can depend on me. I will call it out. We're not going to be some man, Carlos, shh, don't say anything, Carlos, you will hurt the party, Carlos. Don't go there. Because people are telling me that, you know. Carlos, don't say nothing, Carlos. No! And that's how I stay. And we can't come beat Andrew Holness. Beat the PNP them. For my country. Why we can't beat the UIC? I want to see them do wrong. We see that train now get ready to crash. And they're going to sit down and say, no, don't Carlos, don't send our UIC. I'm going to look bad. People, that's the type of things I tell on every day on my page. That's kind of politics we need to get out of. Not because I vote for a particular side, your mama, your father, and vote for that. When I see them go wrong, people, and hurt the country, we're supposed to stand up. And this is me standing up. I'm telling you guys, the party me introduce you to. I'm a support. See the shot here? Not the right. The man who is running it, not good. The party is good. The agenda is wonderful. To execute it, Mr. Patterson would have become a dictator. There will be no blogger in Jamaica could ever talk negative about him. Not one blogger. Not one blogger would be able to talk about him if he was a president of Jamaica. Not one blogger. You couldn't talk ill about him. He will go in bed tonight and him and his wife in an argument that tomorrow morning some new laws in Jamaica. He was a dictator. Can you imagine a female? Poor Miss Patterson. This man an arrogant pig. You can't say right through you. If I saw you carry yourself a road, how you treat your wife for your yard? You're not a good man. You're not a good man. I remember Carlos will tell you that. Watch this video and go cry under your bed, Patterson. You no good. I mean, I make sure so you go sit on one side and go park. That's my duty. Me a patriot. I make sure so no danger come to my country. Just like us me beat, bro God. You is not good. You're worse than Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness is a better leader than you. People, when I say, no, Andrew Holness is a better leader than this man. The party is better than PNP and Labour, right? The agenda is way better. But Joseph Patterson is a worse leader than Andrew Holness. He's an arrogant pig. Just imagine a female and treat all female wife. The wife can't tell him not true, him know everything, not true. See the people write this on game. And the man go for social. So hold on then. That means the wife can't tell him not yard then. Me not idiot people. You can your pants come a road, come drop it, Joseph Patterson. And then wrong man a touch. Carlos. Come and respect your father. Send this, come give you. It's all started from this. You disrespect on social media. You couldn't call me like a big man. That's what big people do. That's what big people do. That's why it's to show you why the party split up. You cannot unite the party if you cannot. You can't do no people. This is a little girl thing him do. Not even girl. 2-year-old shit him do. Him can't unite the party. A man like this will never unite the party. He'll never reduce himself and lift up the country and say, guys, let bygone be bygone. Call Marvin Edgar, call all the guys and say, guys, let's have a reunion. Even one of the men were calling there, so that's what he suggested. We will say, no, we buy the goat, man. And we all just have a big family reunion and all will jump off ship. When we come back together, we start the UIC, reset the UIC and push it. Because Marvin and me did them youth, the UIC they on fire. But Patterson don't listen to nobody. Everybody's going to move from around him one when they find him out. He's not a good leader. Love it though. Love it though. Love it though. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If you're upset, bring it to the president, not online. We're not online. No, man, I'm in a work, so man. I just something work. If we can beat Patterson, bro, God, that's just. Oh no! I don't know the type of politics in the warrant, you know. Well, don't say anything if the party is wrong. Joseph Patterson need to go. The party is strong. The party, Joseph Patterson first bring it out as a family. Family, him first bring it out as a. You don't understand what I want. You say, look a bootlicker. Let me see your comment again, family. If you are upset, bring it to the president, not online where the confusion never will cease. And yes, so if you're there, if you go, you don't understand what I want. I'm introducing to the party, so you don't understand what I want. Yeah? When you just come. When you just come. You understand me? When you just come. I mean, I'm going to make nobody feel good. See if nobody feeling, I make them wreck the country named Jamaica. You don't know me? You don't know me, Page? How much time I tell you to say me not side with no party and no man over the country? You don't think me a liar when me say that? That's what you don't want me to do. Shh, Carlos, don't say anything. We just want him to win. Win what? You not idiot? You not mad somebody? When me see a train wrecker come to my country and me a patriot and the country me love and my grandparents them come night. You don't think me a sit down quiet? Because don't say nothing? And that's how me treat bro God. And that's how me treat Mark them. Me come and say me clan me 2x4. So me do UIC. What I say, man? What you mean? Andre said, look here, man. You don't know, man. Mr. Patterson no good. So you don't know if I don't talk, you don't know him. Look here. I see when me the feel when the rest of you them come talking. No, me even take off fee. Me even blast them. Me even come and do video and blast them, you know. I blast the next youth them, Mr. Patterson come. I see him in the field, they say when the next youth them come talk. I see him in the field. Same way. Same way in the field like you. You know? Some people think that I see them in the field, family, like them shouldn't this, them shouldn't that. I swear to God, and them are the problem. People, I swear to God. And somebody feel like a Marvin and all them are the problem, and they twin them. You think so many people just gone, so they twin them with some good girls, you know. And somebody feel like you. See them in the field, family. Until me see it for myself. Look here. How me gonna send something to a man? Tell me say that not personal. How me gonna send something to a man? Privately. And the man is gonna go up on social media. Go talk to me about it. Now seriously, like, how me gonna send something privately to a man? And a man come up on social media. Talk to me, family. Talk to me. How me gonna send something privately to a man? Because nobody believes you call us a this and that. I mean, no, people. I said this privately. And the reason why I send it is to boost the party of my support. Every day, enough of on a platform I come talk, you know. You know? So, me not take back no talk. Me not take no talk. Who don't like what I say, just come off of my page, man. That's a mistake, man. If you don't like what I say, find another page. Simple. We're not going to quarrel up, so. I say, I tell people me I beat bro God, you know. I me tell the UIC followers, if you don't like what I say, come off of my page and go. I'm a part of me, I tell, but me don't buy a country or anything, you don't buy me. When a man say, I don't know what it mean, the patriotism. If you don't like what I say, get the Rastafari from my page. Go up on Mr. Patterson page. I see him tell the bro God supporter them. I see him tell people, if you don't like what I say, sign out. Press the button. How you say, man? You don't want to just beat bro God every day? And have the blouse and skirt matter in my eye? You don't want me to take out matter out of bro God when we have a log in our eye over UIC? You don't eat that? I don't know, man. Me wait till later me do our next video. Come in, I done the Patterson, you know. Because as after me do such a wonderful video yesterday. Go and watch my video then, man. Yesterday the evening, 6 o'clock, we do a nice video. Like a big man. Let bygone be bygone. Tell people, support the UIC. Me say, people, come on, let's turn up the donation, people. Them say they want a bus. Let's see what we can do. Bring the vice president on my page. That's it. That's what we end with yesterday. That's my video, you know. Beautiful. And when me come up from my video, done no video, I go up on Mr. Patterson page. I hear the man over there. Like a little pig. Mr. I can't believe so the man so angry. The man that disrespect all the people who call in, ask question. The man so angry. And look on my page, me left. And then me a leader, you know. I'm just Carlos. But it show that me have a clean heart. Me done with that. I'm a come and tell people, push the party. I'm go by the man page and I say, what $25 can do? Hey, look here, man. Who don't like my page, come off. Because I no money make me there, sir. You think I money make me there, sir? I'm a country. And if you can come back and beat out bro God foot from under him verbally. And Mark. Who is this man? We can't talk about him. You think we just here to get money? And I feel good. We're not here to save nobody feelings. If I see danger coming to my country, not because I support you and wear the blue shirt. Never make danger come to my country. My country is more important than a man and party. When I don't know the meaning of patriotism. Somebody would like me to say nothing. And wrap up this package of garbage and present it to Jamaican people until they explode and shit up the whole country. Somebody would, as some politicians stay, who don't know the danger. But don't call us, put like a perfume on him and sweeten it. We know it rotten and stink, you know. But no, man, hide it from the people. They wrap it in a nice package, you know. Sweeten it up, put some perfume, sweeten it up and send this garbage to Jamaica people. No, go work. It don't go work. Yeah, man. You step on him con. The feelings. Family. Me never disrespect him, you know. People, it started like this. May I explain it, you know, people? Notes for the UIC. See there? Simple. Alright? 5 pages. Sit down and people take time to brainstorm. I'm doing this with these people me feel happy with me and this, you know. Say they go get him, man. The man no call back and say call us. Well, I see you send this stuff, but not even one idea me send go get him, man. The man could work with. Not even one. Him come on page and he must say what me I tell him to do. Why me not fly down? People. Last time, say that, you know. So share man chat. The man say, why me not fly down? Come down to Jamaica. Come do what me I tell him to do. Jesus Christ. What kind of man is that? No, serious people. What kind of man do we have here? Me say, the man say, why me not fly down? Come to Jamaica. Come to Jamaica. Come do this. What me I tell him to do? People don't understand this. Nobody support the UIC as me. There's no blogger. The UIC don't have an outlet, a platform. They don't have a platform. No, me are the loudest voice for the UIC. Me not do nothing for them. Me not hurt them, me not disrespect Mr. Patterson. Nobody. When the party break up, they stick with Mr. Patterson. They beat up the other guys them. Who split. We tell us, brother, if I don't love the party and don't broke up the party, no go on, no not go for no support Mr. Patterson. But the whole time, I didn't know that we have the problem right here. I didn't know that I'm going to face what they were facing. And all what they said, man, the narcissist, you don't listen to nobody, you can't come with new ideas. That's exactly the experience me had. Me, I never quarrel, never people. Me always respected Mr. Patterson. Always. People who don't follow me, my followers don't know every day me talk about UIC on my page. It's not a video. Beat up Andrew Holness and the PNP, for the UIC. All I did was this. Send some ideas, go get him, man. Out of good spirit. Sitting on him waiting a good response to the man like, woo, me can't wait till Mr. Patterson read that. Like a little kid. Only to go on UIC page and see that. And last night, you wait till later, I'm going to show you something. How petulant of a 2-year-old this man is. Wait! Because I will show you more. Because family, manners and respect. I cut off my donation to him. Because I now donate to this man. You come talk about my $25. You know how hard people have to work up, sir? People who send $5, you collect a $5, not the man say $5 and $10 can't do nothing. There are ways to say stuff, Mr. Patterson. And the way you said it last night wasn't right. You should have come down live last night. You don't take no telling. You don't take advice. You don't take nothing. Be gone, people. Yeah, man. So some of you here that is hurt, will not get hurt because of politics. Don't say nothing to call us, man. You know, we need change. We need... No, but if the man are garbage, I'm a seat I come. Why me a quiet for? Don't say anything, Carlos, you're going to make the side look bad. Me say, that's not putting your country first. That's putting a man or a party over your country. Don't say nothing, Carlos. Me say, that's not a patriot. That's not putting your country first. That's putting a man or a party over your country when they know the man is garbage and it smells stink. But I want to wrap it up in a packet and sweeten it up. Send it to the Jamaican people. And later on the stench explode. He's not a good leader. The party is wonderful. The agenda is good. If this man step down, you will see how the party grow. He might hold on his own party. Sometimes I wonder if that boy want to win, you know. I wonder if I didn't just come to Jamaica to get something on the resume. To fly out back to Canada to get in a bigger politics. I wonder, you know, what if a man does play with you? He want to win now. He don't go like you want to win. This man just come to Jamaica to do this work, to get something on the resume. Because I'm still Canadian citizen. For just fly back to Canada and just jump in that party and say, oh, I run for president in Jamaica, I have this spanning belt. Make me wonder if you really want this. Me love you people, me gone. You will never find another straighter person than Carlos. Me love my country. It's country over politics. It's country over any man's feelings. It's country over party. Not because I support the party. I'm not a diarty to no party. My country first. Mr. Patterson is not a good leader. Me not say he's a bad man in the people. Me not say he's a bad man. Me not say the man's a bad man. Huh? But he's not a good leader. I love you people. If we have one whole week with a strike, and we not see you out there, the people them not see the working class, nowhere to be found, not one blue shirt. And y'all come and tell me, say, you nah go out there. Them should have called you. They didn't call Andre Stevens. They didn't call the paper. They didn't call nobody. They just walk off the job. Who are you? Too cocky. I don't reach over yet. You not reach away, you hold on the party. Step down, make somebody else run it. Come in and stop the video upon you. You need to go. Come and see danger to my country. I will speak. If I can speak about Andrew Holness. One must speak about this man. People talk God truth. It's like I don't want to come up every day and just beat bro God and beat Mark. But what to the goddamn big old log when I can't me can't over here, so? What happened to the sewer? What in a full party? What happened to the problem? Listen to me. Everybody could be telling lie and one man. Everybody a lie, so? All this, everybody? Me love you now, me gone. Later. Cocky and I reach away at Jesse. Cocky. For reach, go meet the people. The man and I say, him not give nothing. They hand out this and hand out that. Like poor people, me come in and get $1 little free health care. The party is good, but the man there, him have a dictator tendency. If you listen to nobody, if me can take my time to write all this beautiful stuff, to uplift my party, which is UICY support and come every day, free, me not get $1 from Uno. Me get shadow banned from Facebook, people cuss me out. See it here? Hey, me send 19 ideas go give you Mr. Patterson. Instead of you call me back as a big man, you go up on social media and drop word for me. You know good for the country.
Now one of the things where I personally always say is this. Me not support any individual of a party. And if we want change for Jamaica, we can't play favoritism. We have to look at who or which party actually has the best interest of the people and the country at heart. And if we see say a present leader is not looking like them have the best interest of the people or the country at heart, then me have a problem with that. Now, I personally don't have an issue with the leader of the UIC, right? Now, Jamaican Carlos says that him feel like a word or two towards him. That's his thing. You have to go all the reasoning with Carlos still and find out what really are going on. And then, you don't know, we move on from this. But family, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on this one right here. And even a bigger question. Is this going to change your views on the UIC? Is it going to cause you to stop supporting the UIC? That right there so is what I would really want to know. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on this one. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm gone.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.